Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all my recipe for Hong Kong mushrooms or pepper mushrooms, and for this tofu can also be used. So to start, I have my button mushrooms. You can also use some Portobello mushrooms for this, and I'm seasoning with some 5-spice powder and some JGM Chinese seasoning. We're going to toss that because we want the salts to really absorb into the mushrooms, and then we'll go in with some cornstarch. Make sure you mix the salt well in it before you add the cornstarch, and then mix the cornstarch so that it coats all of the mushrooms. Now in your oil, you need to flash fry this just for about 30 seconds guys, but the oil needs to be really hot. Allow that to cook for that 30 seconds, and then we're going to remove it and set it aside to drain. If you over fry the mushrooms, it's going to get very soft and very mushy. So once you finish doing that, we're going back in the same pan with some sesame oil. To the sesame oil, we're going to go in with some minced ginger and some minced garlic. We want the heat to be on a medium for this, and we're going to saute until it smells very fragrant. Make sure do not burn the garlic. Now we're going to go in with 1 habanero or scotch bonnet pepper sliced and pimento pepper sliced. Now the heat level for this, you can put as much or as little peppers as you like. You just want to saute for a minute. After, we'll go in with some sliced multicolored bell peppers, some sliced onions, and a little bit of that Chinese seasoning salt again, or regular salt. I like cooking this tender crisp. You can cook it as soft or as crisp as you like. Now go in with your mushrooms. The mushrooms did change color slightly while it was sitting, but it was still very crisp. We're going to toss this in those vegetables, and then we'll finish this dish off with some fresh sliced green scallions or green onions. Mix, and then this is ready to be served. I'm finishing it off again with some of that scallion or green onion. I just love the taste, and that's it. This is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for requesting it. If you're new to my channel, I hope you remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.